Make a wedding pillow. Making a wedding pillow that your ring, Bible, and coin bearer will bring down the aisle is really easy. All you need to have in your arsenal of skills is a basic understanding and working knowledge of sewing. Yes, you really don't need to be a seasoned sewing veteran to make a wedding pillow look like an expensive piece of wedding accessory. Here is a short guide on how to make a simple wedding pillow without too much hassle. The cut. For this project, you won't need a pattern. A simple wedding pillow can be made without it. All you will really need is the fabric, either velvet or satin, and the desired dimensions of the pillow. The dimensions will be up to you. That said, start by deciding on the dimensions of your pillow. Now, get a ruler and measure and mark it on the fabric. Make sure to mark only on the wrong side of the fabric so you don't ruin the right side. Basically, you will want to cut out a square. So mark the 4 sides with the same measurement. Make sure to leave about ½ an inch for the seam at all sides. Cut the first square and use that as the pattern for the second square you will be cutting as well. Once you have 2 identical pieces of fabric, you can proceed with the sewing. The stitching. Take the 2 pieces of fabric and line them up with the wrong side facing outward. Pin them in place at the corners and sides. Once that is done, start sewing the edges using the ½ inch seam on all sides. Start with the left side followed by the right side and then the bottom. Leave the top side open for now. You don't want to stitch this up yet since you will still be filling up the pillow. Fill ER up. Now that the 3 adjoining sides are sewed up, turn the pillow inside out so that the right side will be facing outward. The next step will be filling it up with cotton. You will want the pillow filled to the brim provided that the top side can be sealed with a stitch. Once full, stitch up the top side to seal the filling in. For the filling, use cotton or foam. The trim. You have made the pillow but it is still not complete. The next step will involve you sewing on the trim at the sides to cover the stitches you made previously as well as enhance the appearance of the pillow in general. Cut out the trim with the measurements of each side of the pillow. Line it up and stitch it on. Yes, it's that simple. To add the finishing touch to your pillow, wrap the pillow with a nice satin ribbon like you would a boxed gift. At the center of the pillow, meet the 2 ends of the ribbon and tie it to form a simple bow. This bow can be used to secure the ring, the Bible, and the coin as the bearers bring it up the aisle.